It's Masters Week. Let's make the iconic pimento cheese sandwich. Well, I was lucky enough to be invited to the Masters last year. It was my first time. I've not always been the biggest golf fan, but I feel like the Masters is the one tournament where every male in America parks on the couch on the weekend and watches it. So I'd go out there. My good buddy Doug Klein invited me to cook for some of his company's guests. So we went to the par 3. I went to the first round on Thursday. It was amazing. Everything from obviously how beautiful it is with the azaleas. There's nothing out of place. I mean, you can't even describe it. And I've said since then, they could teach a master's level course on merchandising just from the stuff you buy at the gift shop. Not being a huge golf fan, and I go in and spend $1,000 on day one, and then for some reason decided to go back day 2 and spend just as much. Anyway, ever since I left the tournament, I had said, we need to make a video on pimento cheese. I put it in my notes of videos I want to make. Y'all know I was born in the Southeast, so I grew up on pimento cheese. My granny and my mama both made it all the time. We have had a pimento cheese recipe on meatchurch.com since 2015. We've been serving this at barbecue festivals, so it's been important to us. But after we put it on the list, we did a little research as we do, and we tested a bunch of different recipes. And I'm actually shifting away from my recipe today and going to one that we think is even better. I follow Southern Living. They, back in February, put a recipe out they said was President Carter's wife's recipe. Has a secret ingredient, 2 secret ingredients in it. And we blind tasted it around the company, and it was unanimous winner. So that's what we're going to teach you today. And stick around for the end. We're going to have a giveaway. Speaking of merch, I've got a brand new Masters hat. I'm going to tell you at the end how you guys can take this home. Let's jump in. The good thing about it, it's really easy. So I'm going to get my mixing bowl here. A brand new KitchenAid mixer that I'm very excited about. And let's jump in. So the first thing that you got to do is you got to grate up some cheese. You need 16 ounces of grated cheese. And you know, I always say, don't be lazy. Do not buy bagged cheese. Don't be lazy. Shred your own. Tastes better, melts better. All right, we're gonna stop right there before I grate my fingers. Now we need some mayonnaise. Naturally, I'm using Duke's, half a cup, 4 ounces of pimentos. Here come the secret ingredients. I had never seen cream cheese using pimento cheese, but I love cream cheese, so why wouldn't we? And then one more secret ingredient was they put a little bit of white onion in it. I was skeptical, it works. Just need about a tablespoon. And then we're going to add a little Blanco. Some people just use a little pepper. Blanco is what I call our salt and pepper replacer. Goes on everything, so really amps up the flavor. So just a little bit, you can always add more later. Now it's time to mix it up. I wanted this beautiful KitchenAid evergreen mixer for Christmas. I didn't get it, so I bought it for myself. Let's mix it up. While that's mixing up, I think I need a cocktail. Well, let's make an azalea, a nice, light, refreshing Masters cocktail. This one is easy. Ice in a shaker, 2 ounces of fresh pineapple juice, 1 ounce freshly squeezed lemon, 2 ounces of vodka. I'm using Wheatley, flash of grenadine. Shake it up. Even got my Masters cup and koozie. Garnish it with a lemon. Cheers. Ooh, that's tasty. I'm really excited about this. You know, when I walked around the Masters, if you follow me, you know that I bought all 7 sandwiches, $18 total, and took them out and did a taste test on Instagram and TikTok. Pretty funny. Actually, I'll never forget talking to the girl about, can I walk out of here with these sandwiches? Which I did. But the pimento cheese, having grown up on this, it's $1.50 at the Masters. So this and the egg salad are both $1.50. And you know, those people have mixed opinions on, is it the best sandwich? I can tell you, walking down to Amen Corner and eating a pimento cheese sandwich and having the peach ice cream sandwich, I'll never forget it. It was just like crazy cool. In fact, I walked around the par 3 and practice day. I followed Scotty Scheffler around, and I remember saying my money's on Scheffler today, and my buddy said, well, no shit. And then he ended up winning. I made a play to try to cook his champions dinner. I don't think they really allow that, but if you guys know Scotty Scheffler, give him a nudge. Tell him Meat Church was wanting to come in and cook that Texas chili and everything else, and good luck to him this year. I'm here to do it for him. Build this sandwich here. It's looking good. Let's talk about the giveaway before I try it. Here's how you can win it. You got to subscribe to the channel and leave a comment, and the comment has to say Masters. That's it. You can comment whatever you want, and period, in the end of it, write the word Masters, and then we will pick a winner at the end of the tournament. So we'll do it Monday morning after the tournament. I will pick a winner. I will announce it in a pinned comment on YouTube, and we will send this out to you. So subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, Masters, and you could win this brand new hat. Okay, let's cut in here. You always got to see the cross section, right? All right, here we go. That is so good. I'm telling you, I'm glad that my grandmother subscribed to Southern Living, and I followed them ever since, because the addition of cream cheese, that was better than my recipe. 10-10 recommend. That is so good. And mix these up while you're watching the Masters this weekend. If you also haven't ever checked out, this was our Masters edition. This is our performance rope hat. You can get it wet. Wore this last year at the Masters. And we brought these back by popular demand for this week. So you can get these on meatchurch.com along with the freshest seasonings in the world. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, especially if you want to win the giveaway. And we'll see you guys next week. Damn good. Like, legit real good. This could be like my weekend lunch.